train dragons, do you?
Looks easier enough.
This one's got potential.
I will see about that. Here it is. Book of Dragons. Between these two covers are the most incredible creatures you'd ever hope to see. Some you know, but there are some you've never seen before. And you won't last a day out there if you don't learn the facts in here.
Robert, you can't scare us. We've already trained dragons.
Ah, this book contains more than just training. It's the key to unlocking a new world of dragons. And I don't suppose you know who started it all. Do you? Oh.
I thought it had something to do with Bort the Bold.
Well spotted, lad. But before he was bold, he was known as Bort.
Is he getting ready time?
Mm-hmm.
Get dressed.
Oh, my bad.
Taking video? Can I see? Don't get dressed, Michaela. You're not allowed to wear those new ones. Those are school clothes. Can't wear them. What? You can't wear them,